The blood is made up of three components: red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. These blood cells all provide a function in the human circulation system. Red blood cells contain a red pigment called hemoglobin. This helps the blood transport oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. They flow to the left atrium through the pulmonary veins, the mitral valve, into the left ventricle. On its way back to the lungs, it returns carbon dioxide to the lungs to be exhaled. Platelets. Platelets help clot the blood to stop bleeding. If a blood vessel gets damaged, it sends signals to the platelets to come and fix it. White blood cells. White blood cells release antibodies to fight any bacteria in the blood. Bacteria can enter the bloodstream through an open wound or a sinus infection. For now, we are going to be focusing on how white blood cells fight against the invading bacteria.
White blood cells make up about 1% of your blood, but they have a huge impact. White blood cells are also called leukocytes. They protect you against diseases and illnesses. White blood cells flow through your bloodstream to fight bacteria and viruses that threaten your health. When a particular area in your body is under attack, white blood cells rush in to help destroy the harmful bacteria. White blood cells are made up of bone marrow. They are stored in your blood or lymph tissue. There are many types of white blood cells. Monocytes help to break down bacteria. They stay circulating in your bloodstream for days. Lymphocytes create antibodies to fight against viruses and bacteria. They live in your lymph nodes or your circulation system. Basophils are small cells that sound an alarm when infection invades your body. Neutrophils kill and digest bacteria and fungi. They are your first line of defense when infection attacks. Eosinophils attack and kill cancer cells and parasites and help with allergic responses. But what happens if bacteria does get into your bloodstream?
This causes septicemia, a serious bloodstream infection, also known as blood poisoning. Septicemia occurs when there is a bacterial infection in the lungs or the skin and it enters the bloodstream. Bacteria and their toxins can be carried through the bloodstream to your entire body. Septicemia, also known as sepsis. During sepsis, your immune system releases many chemicals into your blood, which triggers inflammation, which can lead to organ damage. Clots reduce blood flow to your organs so they don't get the oxygen and nutrients that they need.